The Audi RS3 8V.1, also known as the Pre-Facelift, with a fiery 5-cylinder iron block engine. Here at Automotive Addiction, we have been dealing with these cars since the day they were released in 2015, but 8 years on, to find them good spec, cherished examples are becoming extremely hard to come by, but we have one here. This Glacier White example features a Stage 1 remap from the gurus at MRC's tuning, intensifying the car's performance. And is equipped with X-Bar self-healing paint protection film from brand new to all impact zones, protecting them from the elements on the road. Now let's talk factory spec, which is what we class desirable on this Audi RS3. It features £10,150 of factory optional extras, including super sport seats, the dynamic package, which features the RS Audi magnetic ride control, the technology package, which features the bigger 7-inch widescreen display with improved graphics, the comfort and sound pack, which features the Bang Olufsen sound system, the driver assistance package, which features the adaptive cruise control, plus much more. Back in 2016, the price tag of this car in this specification was £52,000. We're going to be putting this RS3 through our unrivaled detailing preparation process, so we can get the condition of this car to meet our high exacting standards. So if you want to find out more information about this Audi RS3, we recommend giving us a call or head over to our website.